Hi guys, today we're going to have a look at finding missing elements in number patterns. All this really means is finding the number that is missing or covered up. So here we have a hundreds chart, and on this hundreds chart you can see that I've shaded all of the counting in two numbers. So if I wanted to find out the missing numbers, all I would have to do is count in twos and work out which one's missing. For example, 2, 4, 6. What's going to be my missing number? You probably guessed it. It's 8. Then I'm going to keep going. 10, 12. What's this one going to be? 14. Let's keep going. 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. What's my number? Did you guess 36? Let's keep going. 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. What's this one going to be? 52. 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68. What's this one? 70. Alright, let's have a look at this hundreds chart. I'm going to have a look at the pattern that's here. 3, 6, something, 12, 15, 18. And I'm starting to work out that my hundreds chart is counting in threes. So because of that, I can work out what this number is. 3, 6. If I'm counting in threes, this number should be 9. Let's keep going. 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. What's this number going to be? Did you guess 30? 33, 36, 39. I think this one's going to be 42. 45, 48. What's this one going to be? 51. 54, 57, 60. 63. Using my number patterns to help me. 66. 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 93, 96, 99. One of the easiest ways to find out any missing numbers is to have a look at the numbers around it. So here I can see that I'm actually counting in fives. So therefore, I can count up quickly and work out what my number is. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This number must be 30. 35, 40. What's this one? 45. 50, 55. Must be 60. 65, 70, 75, 80. What's this one? 85. 85, 90, 95. And my last one must be 100. So the two things I do is work out what I'm counting in first. Then I go back and skip count that to work out what the number is. Let's have a go at this one. I can see all of my numbers end in zeros. That tells me that I'm counting in tens. So therefore I know that this number must be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So remember my two strategies. Number 1, work out what the number pattern is counting in. Number 2, count in that number pattern to find out the answers. So for these ones, I'm counting 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore, I know that I'm counting in ones. So let's count in ones and work out what the black dots mean. 0, 1, 2, 3. This one must be 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one must be 10. Okay, let's try it here. Let's work out what we're counting in. 5, 10, 15. That sounds to me like we're skip counting in fives. Therefore, my missing numbers are 5, 10, 15. The next number must be 20, and then 25. Okay, let's have a go at counting money. I can see here that I've got all 10-cent pieces. Let's start by counting in tens. 10, 20, 30. Therefore, this one must be 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I have 100 cents altogether, or $1. Okay, now it's your turn. Pause your video here, take a screenshot of this page, and have a go at filling in the number sequences. Don't forget to work out what the number sequence is counting in first. Here are your answers. How did you go? Let's have a go at finding missing elements on a number line now. Here we've got a number line, so the first thing we need to do is work out what each number line is counting in. Then we can work out which numbers are missing. In the first one, I can see that the first number is missing, but after that I've got 2, 3, 4. So I know that my number line is counting in ones. The number before 2 must be the number 1. I can use the number line up above to help me as well. So if I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, I wonder what this number would be. The number after 4 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's this number? After 7 comes 8. 9, 10, 11, and this one must be 12. Now we have a complete number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It makes sense. On the second number line, I can see that I start with the number 7. Then I have 2 missing numbers, then the number 10, 11, something, 13, something, 15, something, something, 18. Now we have to do a little bit of thinking here to guess what 2 numbers go between 7 and 10. I'm going to try counting in ones and see if that works. 7, 8, 9, 10. That makes sense. So my missing numbers are 8 and 9, and I now know that my number line is counting in ones. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. On my last number line, I start with the number 9. One missing number 11, 12. I wonder what that missing number is. I'll have to work out what my number line is counting in. I'm going to try counting in ones first and see if that works. 9, 10, 11. Yes, it does. So my number line is counting in ones, and the missing number is 10. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There you have it, all complete number lines. Okay, here's a bit of a challenge. This time, my number line is incomplete. I don't have all my numbers. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of thinking to work out where these numbers belong. If I've got a 0 here and a 4 here, my guess is the number line is counting in ones. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's right. So if I wanted to put my number 3 in the right spot, I would count up. 0, 1, 2, 3. My 3 belongs there. Let's keep going. Let's see if we can find out where our number 10 arrow goes. Here's 8, 9, 10. What about 13? Well, here's my 14. So my 13 arrow must go one number before 14. And my last arrow, number 16, well, 14's here, 15, 16. Now we're getting a little bit harder. This number line is incomplete, and it doesn't have lines for the other numbers. So we have to do a little bit of guessing to work out where our arrows go. For the number 21, well, I know that 21 is a little bit further than 20, but it's not even as far as halfway. So I'm going to put my arrow about there, just after 20. For the number 45, I'm going to find my 40 and my 50, and I know that 45 goes about halfway between the two, because 45 is halfway between 40 and 50. For my last number, 89, well, here's my 80, here's my 90, and I know that 89 is closer to 90. It's just one number away from 90. So my arrow is going to go about there. Not quite on the 90, but very close to it. How did you go finding missing elements in number patterns? Good job!